Stop scrolling, because this is the one moment that should have ended everything. The prison door is shut, the guards are posted, and the chains are on. Then Paul and Silas start singing, out loud, like they are not scared of the dark. And I mean the dark gets interrupted. At midnight, the ground shakes. Not a little tremble. The whole prison system feels it. Every door pops open, every chain comes loose, and the jailer runs in thinking he's about to lose his life. He grabs a sword, ready to end it, because he thinks the prisoners are gone. But Paul shouts, "Don't hurt yourself." And then, right there, the jailer asks how he can be saved. He takes them to wash their wounds, and the whole household hears. And then he believes. Tell me what part hits you hardest, the earthquake or the singing?